how to add Fiverr payment method. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to show you on how to add your payment method on your Fiverr account. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to create or sign into your account, and then click on your profile in here, and then click billing and payments. And in here, you can see the billing history, the billing information, available balances, and the payment methods. Just click this payment methods, and then in here, you can easily manage your payments methods through Fiverr. You can add your credit card, your PayPal, or you can add a new payment method. In this case, I'm going to connect PayPal. And in order to complete your PayPal registration, we will transfer you over to PayPal secure servers. Okay, and then just click this one and we will be redirected to PayPal website, and you just need to fill in the details. And then once it loads, just click agree and continue, and it will be able to connect to your Fiverr account. So if you wish to connect your credit card or debit cards, you can do as well by just waiting this to load, and then we're just going to fill in our details in here. Let's try. This may take a while, but it would pop out anytime soon. So that's it. That is how you add payment methods on your Fiverr account, and I hope this video has helped you. And if you have suggestions, just leave them in a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video and tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you the next time.